Now, let's take a look at the different service areas that we have access to. First, you'll see when I log in, I have 5 different options: tables, bar, takeout, quick order, and delivery. From the table screen, if I tap the service area, I'll have options to all of the tables that I have on my floor plan. From here, I can tap on one of these tables to start an order at the table. Next, I can also go to my bar tabs and start a bar tab. To do so, tap on bar, and then from here, click on the plus button. From here, I can put in a tab name, say I wanted to put in my own name, or I can secure the transaction with a credit card, and that will pull my name as well. Lastly, any open bar tabs that you have will be shown in this area here. Next, we have Takeout. For instance, let's start an order under Takeout. To do so, once again, we access the service area and tap on the plus button on the bottom right. From here, I need to put in a phone number and a name. Once I do that, I can then start the order. Just like with bar tabs, if I do have any open takeout orders, they will all appear here, and so will the name and phone number. Next, we'll talk about delivery. Delivery works a lot like takeout, except for you will also need an address. So here, I tap on the plus button, and I'm prompted for a phone number, a name, and then the address that I can deliver the order to. And like with the other ones, if I have any open delivery orders, they will appear in the screen as well. Lastly, we have Quick Order. Quick Order is much simpler than the rest. I access it and go to the plus sign on the bottom right. From here, I can immediately start ringing in items. And that is how to use service areas in Payflex Lite.